How to set custom music as ringtone on Android phone. I'm going to show you how to do it. If you find this useful, please consider subscribing and liking the video. Now the first step you need to do is to go to your phone settings. Then you will scroll down. Then you are going to see sounds and vibration. Tap on it. Then you will scroll down. Then you are going to see ringtones. Now under ringtones, you are going to see phone ringtones. Tap on it. Then at the top there, you are going to see music on device. Tap on it. So you can select music from your device to set as your custom ringtone. And if you do not have music on your device, I recommend you to go and download from Pixabay. They have good music there. So once you've downloaded the song, you can now choose the song which you want to set as your custom ringtone. So let's say, for example, I want to set this as my custom ringtone. I'm just going to select it. Then I'll go back. Then as you can see, the music has been selected as my ringtone. So whenever someone will be calling me, it is this song that will be ringing as the ringtone. That's how to set custom music as ringtone. I hope this was useful, and if it was, please consider leaving a like and subscribing to the channel. Thank you guys for watching, and see you in the next one.